I'm Sarah.
Hi, I'm Olivier from Off the Tourist Treadmill.
And today we're going to talk to you about why you should book or consider booking an interior cabin on a cruise ship.
So the first one is the price. And people say, oh, I don't like an interior cabin. It's too close, it's nice, not nice. Claustrophobic.
Too small.
Any kind of reason. But the first reason for us to book an interior cabin is because the price. And the price, it can be a big difference in your final bill at the end of your cruise.
Yeah. And booking an interior cabin makes it much more accessible to more people.
Yes, and because you pay less in price, you can put this money in your excursions or other experience. And for us, it's better to have more experience, more things, than just a cabin looking the sea.
The second reason is really about the room itself. Most people are put off thinking that they'll have a small room.
Very small, just one bed in the corner with a shower, that's it.
But in fact, the square footage of the room is not that different from the next level of cabin up. And it has the same facilities in the room, probably the same size bathroom, nice bed, desk area, cupboard. All of that stuff.
Little bit. Some have even a small sofa inside as well, like the balcony.
Yeah. The only difference is obviously you don't have access to outside and you don't have a view.
You don't have a view. But now some cruises just incorporate in the inside cabin some screen, so you can have a window, and it's a projection of where your boat is. So you can have a window by the screen. Or a double door, it's a long screen like that, size of the door. You open your curtain and you can see what the guys upstairs see as well.
Yeah. So don't be put off by the fact that it's an interior cabin, because actually you're getting the same facilities in your room. And of course, even an interior cabin room has access to exactly the same facilities on the boat. You've got the same food options, you've got the same access to the swimming pools, the shows, everything. The only thing is, your room doesn't basically have a view.
This is a big difference. But don't have a view is an advantage as well, because it's pitch black. Better sleep. The third thing to think about is as well the balcony is almost an handicap, I will say.
Yeah, do you want to explain that to our viewers? What you think?
Because when you pay for something, you are compulsory, but you feel compulsory to enjoy it. So you want to be on your balcony to watch the sea or sat on your chairs. But don't forget, we travel few times with balcony, and basically what you have is two small chairs and a small table. So you can't very relax, you can't sunbathe. You can't sunbathe. You just two chairs and one table, small table.
And the thing is, because you've paid extra to have that balcony, you feel you've got to spend time there. So that's time away from using the facilities on the boat. Because if you want to sunbathe, obviously there's fantastic areas on the boat. There's swimming pools, jacuzzis, there's so many things on the boat to take advantage of. And arguably, if you've got this balcony cabin and you're going back to your room, you're kind of isolating yourself away from the facilities on the boat that you've paid for as part of your cruise experience.
And don't forget, your view is on the side, and often the nice view is on the back of the ship or in front of the ship. And if you want a nice view, you can relax from the sunbed on the back of the ship.
Yeah, and enjoy some fantastic views.
And don't forget, next to you there is a small swimming pool as well. You can even go back to the sun lounge. So enjoy your facility inside the boat, not inside your cabin. This is what we try to say. So before we carry on with our tip about the inside cabin, if you like us and if you enjoy what we are doing, please subscribe to our channel. We have plenty of tips and ways to save money on cruises. And don't forget to push the thumb up.
Our next tip about interior cabins are that they are really little cocoons away from noise and disturbances. Often when you've got an outside balcony, you have noise, don't you?
Yes, we have noise. And we experience that few times. People say, oh, you have outside balcony, you're going to have a nice view. But most of the time, where the ship dock is industrial.
Yeah, very industrial.
This is very industrial, and you see the crane, sometimes containers or something like that. This is what you.
So there's a lot of noise.
That is the reality, and people are working on this dock, and they're making a lot of noise, and the beep 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 of the crane.
Yeah, people shouting.
Noise,
smelly, quite often smelly in the ports from the machinery and stuff that's going on.
It's not for all of them, but we experience plenty of situations we are not a very nice view, to be honest, so why to pay for that?
And then the other thing was, balconies, you have neighbours.
You have neighbours on the balcony next, this way, up and down.
So you can hear them, number one thing.
The worst is next, this one and this one is the one down, because you hear them, as Sarah said, but on top of that, there is a lot of people, even if it's forbidden, smoking on the balcony.
Yeah.
So when you are
sat quietly on your balcony, enjoying the sunshine
or evening in your balcony, you think you're going to have the fresh air of the sea, but you have the fresh air of the cigarettes, the guys who are below you or next to you.
Yeah.
So I said it's forbidden, so if you want you can complain, maybe they're going to do something, but this is another inconvenient.
And leading on from these thoughts, most cruise ships today are starting to have not only sea view balcony rooms, but they are rooms with a view over interior promenades. And we know we went on MSC World Europa and it had this. Now, if you have booked and paid for a balcony with a view over the promenade, that also can come with some problems because there's lots of entertainment during the evening, there's dancing, singing, DJ sets, lights
everywhere, so basically what people do, close the curtain and
don't enjoy your balcony. So that's perhaps...
And on top of that, you are on your balcony, but in front of you there is other people on the balcony as well. So they have a good view on you.
Yeah.
And it's not the sea, it's like a two building like that.
Yeah.
So people this side can see what's happened there, and people this side can see there.
So you are overlooked. So this is perhaps another big plus about booking an interior cabin. So another thing to think about is that your cabin or stateroom is basically a place to sleep. Correct?
Yes, it is. You have your cabin is to go to sleep or to take a shower. That's it. If you want to enjoy your view, there is best view on the deck or somewhere higher than your cabin where you can have an amazing view. We have amazing sunsets on the deck. If you have the courage to wake up, you're going to have amazing sunrise as well.
Yeah.
And we took some very nice pictures and we very enjoy because you have the choice to go where the sunset is. It's 360 degrees. Your cabin is just one side.
Yeah,
so you're not sure you're going to have it there.
And the other thing, you spend so little time in a cabin. So an interior cabin is going to save you money, and because you're going to be the cruise for us is about enjoying the facilities on the boat. We've already spoken about the fact you've got a balcony, you're going to feel obliged to use it. Whereas, there's great sunbathing opportunities, swimming, jacuzzis, there's all the entertainment on the boat during the day and the night. And of course, during the day, you're going to get off the boat and visit the ports or do your excursions, whatever you want to do if you're visiting the city where the port is or you're going off on an excursion. You're going to come back, you're going to go get changed, go to eat. Then you're going to go to one of the shows because there's obviously fabulous shows on board, so you're not going to want to miss that. And then all you're going to do is come back late, perhaps you had a cocktail. So, you're going to come back late, go to sleep, wake up the next morning. You're going to go to see the sea for half an hour maximum. It's dark anyway.
It's dark.
And
yes, you have the moon.
And you've already enjoyed your walk on the boat upstairs, So we're just saying, just think about it because is it really, if you want to save some money, an interior cabin could be for you because don't forget, you've still got access to all these amazing things and you're not going to be restrained by having a cabin. You're going to get out there and enjoy the boat.
And the next good things for us, if you book an entire cabin, you have lot more chance to be upgraded to a balcony for the same price. So if they gave me a balcony for the same price as the entire cabin, like they did last time, we take it.
And if you haven't seen our video on we got our free upgrade, please check out that video.
That video.
Because we share our experience of how we got a free upgrade. But that's right, because
For the same price, if they give me a work club for the same price inside cabin, yes, I won't take it. No.
you wouldn't.
You wouldn't. But interior cabin,
Because they're the cheapest rooms, they're easiest for the cruise lines to get rid of last minute. So if they're going to bump somebody up for free, they're going to bump people out of the interior rooms because they can sell those last minute.
Last minute, they are more likely to sell an interior cabin than a suite or balcony deluxe.
So maybe it's another reason for thinking about an interior cabin is, you know.
Don't forget, you can't downgrade. You just be able to upgrade. So it's a good time to try it because you have no risk.
Yeah, with an interior cabin, there's only one way you can go, and that's up. So why not try? You might be lucky, like us, as we've shared our experience in our other video.
So if you like us and if you like what we said in our to travel
with on a cruise line and get some tips and some money saving advice.
So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is helping us and it costs you nothing, it's just one button.
And give us a thumbs up.
And you're not going to miss any kind of future video we are doing. And the thumbs
means a lot to us.
So see you next time. Bye.